Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Photoshop and import PNG file. And select layer PNG file and click on Command this macOS or press Ctrl this Windows. Alright, press Command and click on select object and click on rectangle, select, press rectangle, alright, tool, and click on right mouse and click on make work path. 1 pixel, alright, and click on 1. And click on path selection tool and click on right mouse, create vector mask, and click on enter. Alright, and click on Ctrl T or Command T and change size. Alright, and this very bad, and click on enter and no blur. Alright, and that's all.